Well, we've had snow, and now we have rain.
Yeah, it went from snow to rain.
So I'm gonna try to get us both framed, but it's gonna be difficult just because we have umbrellas. They aren't gonna necessarily let us be right next to each other. So the plan today is to head down to the train station and head down one stop to Yoyogi Park. So far, because it doesn't seem like it's a lot of standing rain, I think we should be okay walking by Yoyogi Temple, Meiji Jingu. And then we can just continue through there to Harajuku, which is where we're supposed to end up today. We might try to take a stop over back in Ginza, maybe to get to the Uniqlo store and to go to Age 3. But we'll see what time permits today. Also how well our legs and everything hold out.
Because yesterday was bad.
I will say that Tammy found out that whatever the icy hot is that they use here is a lot better
Than the one at home.
You might want to pick up a few more tubes of it before you leave.
Yeah. So we gotta go back to that store, either that or see if Don Quixote has it.
Yeah. But I say that because you said your pain was almost gone.
Like after it made me freeze to death because it's icy, and the icy term is really like I was shivering. But once the shivering and the coldness went away, that stuff works. It took the pain almost entirely away of my legs.
Anyways, we're gonna head back to our second home away from home, which is Shinjuku Station, because we've been there so many times, obviously. Yep. That's our home stop right now. But like I said, we only have to take the Yamanote line like one stop to Yoyogi Park, and we'll see how the elements work. If worse comes to worse, we'll just go back and then we'll take the train to Harajuku.
Get some more of
the
this.
hope is Harajuku is maybe a little less crowded because of the rain, but who knows? I do know, I think it's supposed to be a holiday today.
Yeah, I think so.
But I don't know if it's like a holiday where everybody's off.
Hopefully it's not a holiday where everything's closed.
No, I don't think that's the case. So, as I can see just from the people wandering the streets, but anyways,
I did make a mistake.
we'll get back with you in a bit. Alright, well, we have a slight delay in our start. Tim was trying to wear a pair of more comfortable shoes than her Crocs, but it is not working out because the water's just getting into her shoes. So she's going to be back down in a minute, and then we'll head on our journey. Well, finally, we're having some good luck with stamps. We found the Yoyogi Station, which is outside the corner station, and not the one that you'll come off straight off the Yamanote line. So just to know that, you're actually going to be over by the Uedo entrance. If you're collecting stamps. Right. I have to ask them at work, like, what those things are. I think they're like support anchors.
For what?
For the train.
Oh.
Coming down the slope. I think it's like for retaining, like it's like a retaining wall thing. You put them in to hold the slope and stabilize it, I think. But I wanted to get some video of it so I could ask people at work, like, what is that for?
Poppins Nursery School.
This is the Torii gate entrance to the Meiji Jingu Shrine. I'm trying to be quiet to be a little respectful. But my understanding is you're supposed to bow twice like that. See?
Before entering?
Yes, when entering, I guess. And then after you've exited. This is like a canopy of trees. You know? Just just like a canopy of trees as you're walking through.
Yeah.
Normally on a non-rainy day, this is a place where a lot of people will come and hang out. They'll have picnics out here. We'll keep heading to the temple. And then Jake. See what you're gonna get. Got it?
Doesn't it come out?
Oh, you can't take them out.
Oh, number 3.
That's probably so they don't lose them. So once you get your number and you read your Gashuin, which probably... So I know today is a national holiday. I don't know exactly what the holiday is. But we're catching the tail end of the big parade that's coming through. Once again, one of the very large Torii gates. I believe these over here are aged barrels of sake that are donated by companies for good luck to the shrine. The same with these barrels, which I believe, correct, I could be wrong, there's probably a sign up here that might tell me I'm wrong. Yeah, see, they were offered to the temple. And then, like I said, if you come over here, yeah, see, it's just not all companies. So I ordered we got our burgers. And I went with the roasted soy sauce.
I went with the
Teriyaki chicken filet. Filet-o. If you look at the thing, it says filet-o. Yeah. Okay. This is Takeshita Street. We actually just ate at the McDonald's there. And I can confirm that McDonald's will let you customize your order. If you order from the kiosk, I don't know how hard it is to do it at the counter. I do want to come back to this Capsule lab.
Yeah, Daiso.
Yeah, you want to go to the Daiso?
I don't know. What do they have? Everything in there?
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff?
All kinds of stuff. That's the new Hello Kitty store down there. Uniqlo haul is... Our Uniqlo haul has gotten a little insane. But everything's really low priced. So we felt we had... I just gotta find the tax-free counter now. Well, they have a Noah coffee back there and a Noah coffee here, huh? Yeah. I do want to go to that Capsule lab, but...
Or what?
The Capsule lab, but later. Dog cafe. Now, this is why you try to avoid this place when it's like a holiday or a weekend.
I had no idea it was going to be a holiday today.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I didn't know what type of holiday it was, but obviously it's one where the stores stay open, but probably a whole bunch of people are
everybody's off of work and school.
Yeah, so they're doing construction, but business goes on. Pet paradise, where you can get your pets some outfits.
Some clothing or whatever.
Made in Okinawa, jewelry. Cipla store. That's the other capsule store I wanted to go into. Cipla. This is the Sanrio store.
Cafe.
This is the new Sanrio store here in Harajuku. Like Gudetama, he was from like 10 years ago.
But
Wow.
they don't have much of him.
So this is the second floor of it, and then the third floor is where the cafe is at.
But we're stuck here. We have to go around, I think, to get over to there.
Yeah, I didn't go to the cafe because that's not us. I don't know what that is. Are you like you can customize? Oh, you pick something, decorate it. Oh, and then they press it on. So you select all the stuff you want on your bag, and then they press it in. So like, oh, they're like shrinky dinks, aren't they?
Is that what they are?
Kind of looks like it. See all the plastic pieces?
Yeah.
So you design it, and you get to make your own bag. Well, they even have Gudetama. See?
Yeah.
A couple of Gudetamas.
Yeah. One on the bottom, one on the top.
I don't understand it though. Oh no, so you customize the things?
Select the base, select your favorite patches.
Oh, so you select a base, like you would select the Gudetama base and then decorate it with stickers
Place your
or a bag.
patches wherever you want. Bring it to the cashier and then press it.
I get it, I think. Maybe I don't. We're on the back side of Takeshita Street as we head towards the main area again. We stopped at La Forest because I had to go to the Sailor Moon store. Shout out to Kat from the podcast. It's the one thing she asked for, and I'm hoping I got all the ones that she was looking for. Yeah, Tammy can have no blame in this. I picked everything out. I tried to find Jupiter, Mercury, and I think I found a Cosmos item, which I know you said you were looking for, but was really rare, so hopefully I got it right. But we have found our way back to main Takeshita Street. And today is a holiday of some kind, so I think there's more people here than there normally would be on a Wednesday afternoon. Yeah, I know it's a big shopping district, so maybe I'm wrong. Oh, it's our favorite. Mom's Touch. And what's that? This is Love Toxic. Oh, the sign's over. Oh, okay. Love Toxic's over there. Oh, I see. So it's almost like a mall. Yeah, see how it's like a little mall. So yeah, that's a weird store. Yeah. Hey, suitcases. So we made it to Strawberry Fetish. You went with just the strawberries. I went with the strawberries and grapes. Oh, I thank you. Haircut. The strawberries are very plump. I know they look small.
They're very sweet.
The grapes are good too. It's one of those things where I feel like my teeth are gonna break. I know it's just sugar. That was very good. Sweet. But good. I needed water just as a palate cleanser. Don't sleep on the Pocari Sweat. I just happen to be drinking our free hotel water, but it's good. Oh, yeah. It's really good. It's like not overpowering. It's almost like a... Yeah, it's not sweat.
It's not bottled sweat.
But now we need to go get...
It's like a lemon lime water. Electrolyte.
Now we have to go get potatoes.
Longest. About 10. Nobody has.
Maybe they have a Gudetama one in here. You don't know. They have Sesame Street. Oh yeah, isn't that Gudetama down there or no?
I don't think so.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay. Just look like him. Hey, didn't you just get some Tom and Jerry stuff?
I got one Tom and Jerry blind.
Oh, look, Spider-Man, like little Spider-Man backpacks. Tom and Jerry. Oh yeah, you got the classic scenes. Oh look, there they are, candied. Candied. And that's the one that Chris got. Candied. It's pan bread. It's dead bread. See, croissant, melon pan, regular pan. Inky rims. Oh shit, RX-7. Sweet. Yes. Oh, pressed butter sando. Oh, they do have crazy stuff for everything, don't they? Little frogs. Oh, look. You need one of those? Look. Look. You look here? Chucky. Yeah. And bugs, dinosaurs. Let's see, is it Is it like each, maybe an album cover in each one?
An album cover sticker or something?
Yeah, like it stands in here, like it's a little pin that stands inside it. The Beatles, Rolling Stone. Yeah, look, see, pins capsule. So you get a pin that you can put on you. Each one of those is a pin. Oh, I gotcha. See, we're just figuring all this stuff out ourselves. Dang, there's even more back here. Look, you can get brass horns. Which one's your favorite? Brass horns. Oh my goodness, that's so nuts. Carmen Rider, Dragon Quest. Huh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it comes in pieces. Oh, I actually have work together. I have work I have to do. Oh my goodness.
Oh, so you have to put the whole thing together.
Yeah, it's like a little snap kit. I should have gotten one of these. Maybe I'll give it to Seth. He loves this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I will put that in this little baggie right here.
And the instructions.
Oh, that's right. This is like the tax-free. Oh yeah, I need to get the instructions too. In Japanese, no less. Yeah.
商品をお待ちのお客様、奥の黄色い壁の方に少しずつ間隔詰めてお並びお願いします。レジ付近大変混雑しております。ご協力お願いします。次のお客様お決まりでしたらお伺いします。はい、以上でよろしかったですか。会計750円です。はい、お願いします。
Longer, longest. Where they do cheese sticks with potatoes on them. That they deep fry. Tornado potatoes, as you can see way over there. So we went with the longer, longest. So it was actually kind of interesting. They put it into this very thin batter. I don't know what it is. But it was like, it wasn't like a thick, you know, sometimes they'll be like thick, like drippy batter. Like this was like almost like a milk liquid. And then they set it in there for like a minute and then drop it into the fryer. No, we went with just salted. Which is why I'm glad I grabbed these. This is very greasy. So they end up pumping these things out. Like I'm watching them in there and they're just going like crazy. I'm just sitting out here now. These are turning into like, they're almost turning into like potato chips. You know? Yeah. I guess the thing I would say most was a really thick, it's like maybe a home fry. Seems like it might be a little thinner. But right now it's starting to like crisp up like really fast. What's that? Yeah, I could not have done. This was enough. And I love potatoes. If you know me, you know I love potatoes. We did the Owl Cafe, but if your thing is pigs, you can do mini pigs at the MiPig Cafe, the micro pig house. Yeah, that's not us. No. Yes, he did poop on you twice. Oh, look at that. System of a Down, Motley Crue, Bon Jovi. Oh, those are kind of cool. The Hatsune Miku modified shirt. That's kind of neat. How much?
14,800.
14,000? Yeah, that's expensive. Carry it on the freaking train. Look at those things. And they even have like savory ones. See, like margarita with ham, egg, tuna salad. Look at those with like a whole piece of cake inside. That one's got like a whole banana in it. Look at that one. It's got a whole slice of cheesecake in it. Strawberry and whipped cream. Oh, I'd be fine. They have that. Oh yeah, it has strawberry ice cream in it too. See? See that strawberry ice cream?
I'm looking at the one next to it.
Oh, just strawberry and whipped cream. Oh, it's gelato. And they have kiwi, and then they have the chocolate banana. Look at that mango tiramisu, custard. They just have a whole slice of tiramisu in there. Oh my god! Ham cheese salad, chocolate banana cheesecake. Dang, that's crazy. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, oops. It'll have you on it. There's the entrance to Takeshita Street. You'll know you find it because it's right across the street from Harajuku Station. And I was hoping that we get to see our picture, but I don't know if they're doing it right now. Let's see how I get this open. It's gonna be one of those things so easy, a kid can open it. I won't be able to open it. I can't open this at all.
You know, the umbrella's in your face.
Yeah. Well, shit.
I'm sure the tape's around it.
Has it got tape on it?
They normally do.
Oh. Yeah, you're right. There's tape on there. Of course, I have no nails, so I'm trying to get the tape off. It's slowly coming off. Oh, thank goodness I'm not like a engineer or anything. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, it comes in pieces.